Welcome to Module 2, the Hierarchy of Controls. Managing risks starts with identifying hazards and systematically applying the best possible measures to eliminate or reduce those risks. Elimination. The first step is eliminating the hazard. For instance, if there's an unsafe trench on site, eliminate the hazard by backfilling the trench once the work is complete or installing barriers to restrict access during downtime. Substitution. If elimination isn't practical, substitute the hazard with something less risky. For example, if a chemical adhesive used for tiling is harmful, replace it with a water-based, non-toxic adhesive. Engineering controls. Next, we apply engineering controls to isolate workers from hazards. For example, if a construction task involves cutting concrete, install dust extraction systems or use wet cutting techniques to reduce airborne silica dust. Administrative controls. Administrative controls change the way work is organized to reduce exposure to hazards. For example, scheduling noisy jackhammer operations during times when fewer workers are on site or implementing a rotating schedule to limit exposure to repetitive tasks like lifting heavy materials. Personal protective equipment, PPE. PPE is the last line of defense. For example, workers cutting steel beams should wear safety glasses to prevent eye injuries from flying sparks. However, PPE doesn't eliminate the hazard itself, it simply reduces your exposure to it. By applying these controls in order, we create a safer construction environment. Let's move on to hazard identification and risk assessment.